Hello guys, welcome back to a new unboxing video, and this time we will unbox the new DR.ÖTEK MT6. This is a brand new metal detector from this company, and by the way, Amazon did a very great job. I just ordered it yesterday and one day later it's already here. It's freaking amazing. I love it. Great shout out to Amazon. So, let's unbox it. Let's have a look. Just a little look. What's inside here? By the way, today is the 1st of September. I come from Germany and it's now available in Germany. And the first days they will have a special offer for you. So it's 129 euros and very fast delivery. Here it is, the DR.ÖTEK, the best choice for your first metal detector. Oh yes, I love it so far. Oh, look at this. Look at this. What a nice package. You can read it. The best choice for your first metal detector. Support email at support@detector.com. And what do we have here? Here we have a little picture from the metal detector himself and the functions. Adjustable sensitivity, headphone jack, sturdy shovel. Oh, there's a shovel inside. Yes, it's not only a metal detector, there's a shovel inside, and I think a little bag. I don't know what it's good for, but we will see. So here it has 6 modes of operation, fast operation modes. It has a pinpoint function and a portable carry bag. So there is it, a carry bag. We have it. Let's look inside. I love a new unboxing. I love new things. I love... Oh, here it goes on, it goes on. Look at this. Can you see it? Can you see it? Yeah, a little comic. He's looking for some treasure. And he's digging for some treasure now. And here is how did we get our start? What makes our products unique, and why do we love what we do? Yes, they show us here what they are going to do as a great company. They're talking to her fans and yeah, let them test it out. I just have seen some videos about the MT6. It's a few months ago, some people had already the first version of the MT6 and said something was not so good, but they fixed it. They heard it and then they fixed it. It's amazing. So, I think this is a carry bag. DR.ÖTEK. Let's open it. Oh yes, it's for treasures. You can, yeah, you can put it right on your chest, and so you can put your treasures right inside here, and you have it already with you to carry your treasures. There's a zipper on the top and a zipper also inside for the good finds. I think, yeah, great. And it's very, very sturdy. It's very thick. Yeah. I like it so far. Nice, 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 nice. Nice. And here we have the coil. This is the new coil. Yes. Then the rod. A little... Oh, here's a battery also inside. You don't have to worry about the battery. It comes with a 9-volt battery and Phillips screwdriver. I think we need it for I don't know, for What is it? Oh, the headphones. They're headphones. Yes, cable headphones with a volume, adjustable volume here, so you can just adjust the volume by this little thing here, and not on the detector itself. Then this goes fast. Ah, and they're very comfy. The armrest. And this is, oh, it's heavy. Oh my God. This is a digging tool. This is a shovel. But oh, look at this. Look at this. It has a measuring tool on the back. Whoa. I just have one from another company called Quest. But let me say, this here is much stronger. It's, yeah, I love it. This is just for digging. Please remember, it's only for digging. Heavy, cool, but it's here sharpened, like when you have a very sturdy a ground, you can just go inside and pick out your coins or whatever you find. Great. Dr.ÖTEK, you did a great job on this. A very great job. And it's all inside from this package, what now is on 129 euros. Included a detector, not only a shovel. Amazing. Freaking amazing. And now we come to the best part, the electronics. Oh, another part of the rod. Oh yes, the rod with the handheld grip. Yep. That's also, it's good. Now we have here Phillips screws, but let me see the electronic here. There is a headphone jack. This is for the coil, your speaker, and now we have here our electronic. You can see different modes here. All metal, pasture park sand, and here's the strength of I think of the signal, and 4 physical buttons here. Yeah. Let's get it together, and in my next video you can see how this thing runs on the field. So thank you for watching, and if you have any questions then let me know and in the comments below. And if you like this video, let me a thumbs up or a follow or anything else. And great shout out to Dr.ÖTEK. Yeah, it's amazing. I've seen it online and just thought I have to have it. And now it's here. I can't wait to go outside and dig some big treasures of gold or silver, or I don't know. Or just a euro or scrap. I think we will only have in the first time scrap, because yeah, there's no treasures hiding in my garden, I think, but we will see.